All right, ladies and gentlemen, our next session is about Skilling Institute for Quality and Manufacturing Excellence. We have with us Davinder Singh Marwah, the director of the Foundation for Page and former vice president and head of global manufacturing at Sun Pharmaceutical Industries. I request Mr. Davinder Singh Marwah to please join us on stage to share his insights. A very warm welcome to you.
Good morning, dear ladies and gentlemen, dignitaries and distinguished guests. India is rightfully known as the pharmacy of the world. This reputation is a result of the collaborative efforts of the pharma industry, technocratic teams, government bodies, and pharma industry. India provides affordable and quality assured medicine to the patient around the globe. The Indian pharma sector wants to grow to 120 billion by 2030. To achieve this attractive and building talent will be critical. To enhance the capacity and capabilities of the pharma professional, IPA members have come together to establish a state-of-art skilling institute, Foundation for Pharmaceutical Academy for Global Excellence, that is PAGE, that is the name, in Ahmedabad to build a culture of quality and future-ready talent. This is a vision of the Skilling Institute. The market is going to grow to 120 billion by 2030 from currently 57 billion. And quality as a culture, demand for high level of manufacturing and quality assurance, strong alignment with the government of India and USA FDA. Leaders, industry insight, hands-on training, manufacturing, quality, microbiology, and niche training in aseptic and oral solid practice on actual machines. Faculties, qualified trainers, industry SMEs, and ex-regulators. Future-ready workforce, importance of SOPs and integrating in digital format into training. Industry leaders stepping up the plate. These are industries who are supporting us and who are leading us to build up this Skilling Institute. We have their support from the top onwards. We are going to build up a world-class institute for talent for pharmaceutical industry and promote a culture of manufacturing and quality excellence. We have 8 pillars of that: infrastructures and facilities. Step up and launch in Ahmedabad a multi-school hub spoke in design. Second is focus on the area of manufacturing, quality, regulatory, and soft skill. Third is target audience is fresh B farms, operators, line supervisors, technicians, and managers. Faculties and expert, mix of full-time, visiting, and partners in institutes members. Ownership model, these are Section 8 company promoted by IPM members, leading to no profits, the basic. Governance and organizational design, industry leaders are of global reputations, it will be on our governing board. Funding commitment is there by leading pharma industries. Partnership and collaboration offers world-class program in collaboration with PDA, ISP, and NSF. These are phase-wise growth. 08 to 18 months, we'll be setting the foundation blocks at Ahmedabad. It will cater to about 1,000 to 2,000 trainees per year, and then we'll scale up in next 18 to 36 months to about 6,000 to 8,000. And by that time, we may have a multiple location start also. And third phase is we are likely to build up at Hyderabad in addition to Ahmedabad. And third may come in north, either at Baddi, Panchkula, or Mohali, wherever we'll get the land. Integrated campus at the hub and special center, I spoke, building a hub at Ahmedabad that is supported by spokes and special COIs. Short term, we are going to launch a full-fledged campus at Central Village. This is about 26 kilometers from Ahmedabad airport, maybe 45 minutes drive from Ahmedabad airport. Long term, operation at multiple locations in addition to Ahmedabad, maybe Hyderabad or Baddi or any other place in north where we get the land. And the Ahmedabad facility will have an integrated campus. There will be COEs for aseptic separately full-time, also separate for oral solid a full-time, also for quality full-time, and soft skill also we're going to have a full-time employee. And in addition, it can increase depending on the need from the industry, and as we learn, we go ahead. These are catering to different targets, ideas and delivery models. Programs have been shortlisted and discussion with all the market leaders from the quality, HR and operation. And we'll start with pharma manufacturing graduate, that will be online program that may start in July 25, and next may come into line supervisors, that may be 1 week, 2 weeks, and then site leaders, site managers, that may go to 1 week. This will all done in campus when our campus is ready. It can happen earlier if we get any other facility where we can start using it on-hand training. Executive managers, quality culture, leadership management, that 1 week also will happen at Ahmedabad, and as we go forward, it can happen anywhere earlier also. Our faculty members, we are thinking we'll have 75% faculties on our roll and 25% faculties will be visiting professors. And Page Foundation will have a full delivery program and learn from Partnership Institute, experts from partner institutes, leveraging faculty partnership from PDA, ISP, NSF, or any of the institutes will as we go along. Faculty will comprise a profession from machine manufacturers, regulatory bodies, and other SME. Right now, we are in the program development along with the people, then how it will be delivered, faculty planning, subject matter expert, and industrial report and capabilities. This is how the governing body will be there of the institute. It will be under Section 8. This is a legal entity. The profits will not be there. This company will be work for no profit basis. And right now, we are trying to appoint the dean for the university, and we already hired a reputed hiring agency to look out and help us getting the dean. When dean comes in, then all other members, he'll help us getting it. So there will be a program chair for aseptic, there will be program chapter for oral solid, for quality and digital and PD support. And what we are doing currently, we are building the land. Right now the land is going to come in July in hand. We have to make the payment and get the land. We are in the process of appointing the architects, design of the facilities, and that should take us about 14 or 15 months, the time taken over there. And once we have these are the areas we are going to work on that. Already from different companies, we have support for all these areas, from IT, finance, procurement, legal, risk. many companies are supporting us. That page has the right background and right start, so that legally we are going on the right track and finances are in control. This is a timetable for the physical campus at Ahmedabad. December 25 is a date, and we'll need support from a lot of people. A lot of machine manufacturers has come forward and donated the machine to Page. These are the current latest machines having all the latest gadget, but smaller in size, so that area occupied is less, and our OPEX also remains in control. And in addition to this, Fedegree also has offered us to give us double door autoclave along with SCADA and PLC. And also, all these people are going to provide people for training for 2 or 3 years on complimentary. We'll be starting Pharma Graduate Training Program by July 25, January 25, and Senior Executive by July 25. This has all come through support from various colleagues of IPM members. They have given ideas, suggestion. We also spoke to a lot of B-Farm colleges and arrived at this area. These are good on-the-job training and support. And there's a governance is high commitment from the CEOs of the industry. So that is how we are going well in this area. Any questions are there, any suggestion there, kindly contact me. I'll be available on this. I'll just give the closing remark on this. This initiative is a collaborative effort of all the stakeholders, the pharma industry, both national and international machine manufacturers and vendors. The focus is on advancing the manufacturing and quality agenda through leveraging technology enhancement, seizing the digital future of the pharma quality operation, and bringing a culture shift in the mindset. The institution will serve as a gateway to knowledge hub, enjoying our industry with unmatched skill and experience. I extend my gratitude to all industry leaders, colleagues, peers who are working tirelessly to make this vision a reality. This institute will play a vital role in shaping up the quality and manufacturing agenda of our sector. Together, let us make this initiative a grand success and enter into a new area of skill development and knowledge of the Indian pharmaceutical sector. Thank you for your patience and attention. Thank you. If you have any questions, kindly please ask. We'll be available. Kindly pass the mics. Rustam, there is a person man here.
Sir,
Yeah.
I'm Vincent John from Dr. Reddy's. Am I audible?
Yes, please.
Yeah. Sir, first of all, congratulations for being selected for this position because you are the most suitable person in the Indian pharmaceutical industry for this particular initiative. I'm really congratulating you first. The second thing,
Thank
sir, we have been discussing about a lot of technologies which will be incorporated into this particular session, especially various technologies of capsulation. All those things I have seen. But my question is more about the operations management, especially the efficiency management, is also a concern. The automotives are much better than us in terms of the efficiency management and the lean operating system and all. So maybe as a part of the phase 2, can be incorporate those kind of tools. It can be the Japanese tools, or it can be the TPM ones or the TQM ones, which may be taking the whole Indian pharmaceutical industry's efficiency in terms of our operations to a next level. That's a suggestion, sir, from my side.
Sure. Thank you. I think some work has started happening in this area. The best practice from other industries has started coming to us. we have started visiting Tata Steel, TVS. Now our next visit is to Madhusumi, how to get the efficiency, lean manufacturing, and how to manage the shop floor, including quality and engineering. This already started happening. It will rope in. Surely it will come in. But as we go along, we'll also try training them also how to run the machine at efficient speeds, efficient operation, better changeover, cleaning time, all that we should be a part of it. Thank you. Rustam, you have anything? Thank you so much. The time is up. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Marwah.